fried fish. This looks very good. My cutie. Alright, so I'll be back once the rest of our food comes. Alright, so our food just arrived in this huge bucket. Alright. Let's see what's up in here. Yes, we got some crab legs, potatoes, a little of everything. Kind of working. Got some fish here.
You can move that.
Move what? Got our big old bucket. Right. Got a little everything in it. Let's put this right here. Right. Ooh, got some corn. Ooh, this is hot. Some melted butter. Ooh, that's good. Ooh. Maybe the shrimp is all the way at the bottom. Ooh, sorry. Let's see, I got my eyelashes done the other day. It was my first time getting my eyelashes done. It was a very long experience, which took about 2 hours. And I definitely fell asleep during that. I don't know, but I may go again. It looks pretty nice, natural to me. Oh, these are hard. You like it, baby?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. I've been craving crab for over 2 weeks. Ooh, that's good. I don't know if I showed y'all. We also got some fried fish right here. This food is so good, y'all. This sauce with these crab legs, shrimps, and mussels in, I could put that sauce in a cup and just drink it. Sounds bad, but that's how good it is. Whew. My baby getting full over there. like he gonna fall asleep in the car on the way home. Oh my gosh. I was trying to dip it in there over and over again. Oh gosh, that sauce is good. Ooh. I'll have to call it quits soon. I'll have to call it quits. Cause the girl getting full. Maybe we got a pound of shrimp down here. You better start eating. Y'all, this food is good. First got completely off topic on what I was talking about. So I got my eyelashes done. And I completely fell asleep in the middle of the process. As you can see, it's not, you know, too dramatic. It's a natural look. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to continue going through that long process, laying in that chair. It's very expensive as well. I'm a college student, so I'm trying to save, you know. But it was alright. I had, you know, a wonderful technician who explained everything to me on, you know, the health and things to avoid. And, you know, I even inserted a clip, you know, she let me record for a little bit. Whew. Yup, that's what I'm gonna do. But it was a good experience. I may go back. Sun is, this light's just beaming off my forehead. Ooh. Ooh. I like that sauce a little bit too much. Whew. All right, y'all. Let me get back to you. Oh, we're almost done. All right. Definitely, as y'all can see, we are tearing it up. Almost done. Still got some crab legs in there, some shrimp, but
You should go ask if there's refills.
refills?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. We're still going at it. Alright, y'all. So we are done eating. We are full. We are headed home now. Now comment if you'd like me to have any ideas on what you'd like my next video to be on. Sorry it wasn't as, you know, talking and one-on-one. Let me unlock this car. Alright. So we are on our way home. Let me not spill everything that is in my hand. Alright. Make way for my drink. Hopefully it doesn't spill. Alright, y'all. We had a lovely experience at the Juicy Claw. We are full and happy. Got a lot of leftovers. Alright, and I'll see you guys later.